Integrated into the new and intuitive Hepsia is a set of advanced tools to speed up your sites. They're called Web Accelerators. Web Accelerators include Node.js, Memcached, and Varnish. They can be easily accessed from an advanced tools section of the Hepsia control panel. Now, Node.js is perfect for building sites that require real-time interaction. It can handle thousands of concurrent connections with minimal overhead on a single process. And with Hepsia, using Memcached will make speeding database-driven websites fast and smooth. It catches data and objects to reduce the number of times an external data source like a database or API is read. Right now, Memcached is used by many popular sites. You can create a Memcached and a Node.js instance with just a click. Now, what Varnish does is stores web pages in memory, so web servers don't have to create the same page over and over again. It serves pages much faster than any other application server. And with Hepsia, you can create a Varnish instance with just a click. Hepsia's web accelerators give your websites a significant speed up without you having to leave your control panel. So manage and improve your sites from one place. And that's with the Hepsia control panel, the control panel that does it all.